So I was walking in Trader Joe's the other day and I realized that there's a new type of beauty blender. Hello. So a couple of days ago I actually saw a very traumatizing photo of my face.
Bruh.
And ignoring the terrifying downturned eyebrow situation I have going on, I actually noticed that my eyeliner game has gotten better over the years. And so today I wanted to quickly show you guys how I do my eyeliner. I have semi-hooded eyes, so my crease or my fold is very flappy. Is that the right word to describe it? But basically my fold is very dense, and so when I try to draw a line and then I open my eyes, it turns out to be the Nike swoosh, but not the cute kind that Ariana Grande has, but more of a clown-like swoosh. And so I've tried some different things before, and this is just what works for me. I don't really have much more to say, so we can just get started with the video. So I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Craqueur Liquide. It has a felt tip, but I personally find that brush tips are a little bit easier to use and also sharper, but we are make doing today. I typically like to start at the base of the wing and draw the very bottom line out first. I know that some people like to trace the upper line first, but for some reason I always end up with wings that are at a noticeably different angle on both sides when I do that. So then I go in and start filling the wing at the very end of my eye. I kind of make a mark at the end of my double lid to see where the crease begins. This is usually where the Nike swoosh dips, so I want to make sure that it lines up when I look straight into the mirror. Since my double lid is kind of small, I don't really like to line my entire eye. Instead, I'll start from the middle of the eye above my iris and start creating a very straight line from the middle to the tip of the wing. Now I just go in and clean up or sharpen up the tip of the wing, and honestly, there you have it. Sometimes I'll go in and make the wing a little bit thicker, but that's basically how it looks on my right eye. Okay, so remember how I said I don't like to line the entire eye? Well, that's kind of false for my left eye. I think my two eyes have different shapes, so in order to even out my eye shape, I tend to do things a little bit different on the left eye. So here I'm starting off with the bottom line again, same thing as the right, and then I'll add the upper line starting from the middle, and then we're left with this really nice outline of a wing. After I fill that in, I'll compare that to the right eye, and then I'll start adding the line to the front area, left side. Basically, I'll add a little bit more past the iris point and then start filling it in and cleaning up my liner. And this is how it turned out. Even Steven. Like I said, this was a pretty simple routine. I don't have too many tricks up my sleeve with this one, but when I'm feeling a little bit spicy, I will add some fake lashes. That's my Foley artist blow noise. And here's something that I do. I don't know if other people do this or not, but if I'm just out taking photos or a video, I'll place my lashes at the very top of my liner instead of on my lash line, since it just kind of helps to elongate the eye and no one's really all up in your face staring at you. So here's the left side all dolled up. And here's what everything else looks like. Also, for some reason, it looks like right here I'm trying to say, hello, I'm pregnant, but I am not, and that was definitely not what I was saying. And finally, we have some shots with my glasses because I wear glasses. Anyways, that is it. Alright, that is basically how I've been doing my eyeliner for the past 2 years. I hope it helped in any way, or it was at least interesting. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.